Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 916, and today's topic is the manufacture of D.D.T, and the full form of D.D.T is diphenyl-trichloroethane, that is called D.D.T. D.D.T, as I have already told you in previous lecture, was discovered in Germany. It was prepared by one of the PhD scholar, and it is one of the most powerful insecticide. Even today, lot of programs we are using where we are having the program of destroying or killing the pests and insecticides. We are using D.D.T. But nowadays, some of the insects and pests, they are resistant to D.D.T. The reason is that some of these pests, they have such type of enzyme that they convert that chloro, that is dichloro and trichloroethane, diphenyl, into hydrochloric acid. So the effect of insecticide is almost reduced because that chloro derivative is changed into chlorine gas. So some of the insects, they are resistant also because of the enzyme action. D.D.T is manufactured by condensation of chloral, chlorobenzene in 99% concentrated sulphuric acid, and it is condensed for 5 to 6 hours. It is exothermic reaction. That's why the temperature should be controlled. Otherwise, we will not get enough yield. And temperature should not exceed more than 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. And this temperature control can be achieved either by this steam coil or by brine. And this product, once it is ready, it is treated with soda ash in order to neutralize the excess acid, and after that upper part, that is D.D.T, is collected, and still it has some impurity of chlorobenzene, and that can be filtered out and finally washed with water and dry it, pulverize it, and converted into powder for marketing. And here, in the case of D.D.T manufacture, chlorobenzene and chloral is used. So chloral is also prepared. We can manufacture ourselves. Chloral is manufactured by taking ethyl alcohol, chlorobenzene, and concentrated sulphuric acid. The ratio I will give you, and that one is condensed in glass line reactor, and when the reaction is complete, then other impurities are recovered by fractional distillation, and finally chloral will be ready for use. So manufacture of D.D.T, number one, chloral and chlorobenzene are condensed in a glass line reactor in presence of 99% concentrated sulphuric acid. The reaction takes 5 to 6 hours, and the temperature is maintained at 15 to 25 degree centigrade by external cooling, and the external cooling is done by means of either brine or by steam coils. The spent acids, means the whatever leftover acid, that is sulphuric acid, withdrawn, and the crude D.D.T, that is diphenyl, dichloro, trichloro, chloroethane is removed from the top, washed with water several times, and then neutralized with soda ash. Number 2, the mixture of DDT and unreacted chlorobenzene is then taken to dry, and where by the steaming process, where steam melts the DDT and distill any unreacted chlorobenzene, the molten DDT is then passed to casting pans, and practically pure product thus obtained is pulverized, and then it is formed into powder for marketing purpose. Number 3, so to manufacture the DDT we need the chloral. So we can manufacture chloral by ourselves once we are aiming to manufacture DDT. So the chloral is manufactured by the chloral is used for the purpose in manufacture is manufactured by reaction of ethyl alcohol, and that is 0.75 part plus with chlorine, that is 2.58 parts, in presence of 99% sulphuric acid, that is 1.73 part, in a glass lined steel shell provided with a jacket for temperature control between 45 to 50 degrees centigrade through brine solution. In the beginning, temperature is kept 30 degrees centigrade, raised to 45 degrees centigrade, and this temperature is maintained for 1 hour. And after that, we will get the mixture of chloral with hydrochloric acid, with chlorobenzene, chlorine, and all these are separated by fractional distillation. In this way, we will get pure chloral. So DDT manufacture is actually exothermic. Condensation means heat is evolved, and here to have good yield, percentage of yield, the temperature must be maintained below 30 degree centigrade. The best temperature is between 15 to 25 degree centigrade. So number 4, DDT manufacture is exothermic condensation reaction. Temperature must be maintained below 30 degree centigrade. So here we are taking chlorobenzene, that is 4 parts. 1 part we are taking chloral, and in this we are adding concentrated sulphuric acid that I have already explained, up to 99% concentrated, that is 10 part. And then we will get diphenyl, dichloro, trichloroethane, that is your DDT. Number 5, actually for commercial purpose what we are using DDT, that is the mixture of isomers. And 2 type of isomers are there. One is ortho-ortho and other one is ortho-para, and that is, I have already discussed ortho-para position means when there is any substituent, the first is, that is your ortho, meta, and then para. So that positions are identified. So actually the commercial DDT is a mixture of various isomers in which the para isomer, that is 2,2-bis para chlorophenyl 1,1 trichloroethane is present, that is 70%, and the ortho-para is 15%, and rest of others, that is 15%, maybe other related compounds and some impurities in the DDT. DDT is generally used as dust containing 10% emulsion, having 25% of the material, and also as aerosol. So here this is your ortho para isomer of DDT, and this is your O dash means ortho isomer of DDT. So these two isomers are in the form of mixture, that is called isomeric mixture, and that is your commercial DDT, which is used to destroy or kill the insects, pests in our houses, mosquitoes, cockroaches, etc. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.